Welcome to this comprehensive analysis of artificial intelligence's impact on Pakistan and the Global South. Today we'll be examining a research paper authored by Mr. Munib Aurangzeb and Dr. Syed Shuja-Uddin, published in the Journal for Current Sign. This important study delves into the challenges and opportunities that the AI era presents for developing nations. The research takes a unique approach by examining artificial intelligence through the lens of security threats and opportunities. Using structural realism as its theoretical framework, this study analyzes how AI technologies are reshaping global power dynamics. The methodology specifically focuses on the implications for Pakistan and other Global South nations, considering their unique positions in the international system. Artificial intelligence has become deeply integrated into our daily lives, transforming everything from how we communicate to how we work. More significantly, AI is revolutionizing international relations and security paradigms. For Pakistan, this technological revolution presents both unprecedented challenges and unique opportunities. The country finds itself at a crucial junction where its response to AI advancement could significantly impact its future position in the global arena. The research objectives of this study are particularly focused on understanding AI's complex relationship with world peace and security. A key aspect of the analysis examines the growing technological divide between developed and developing nations. The methodology employs a comprehensive framework that combines theoretical analysis with practical implications, aiming to provide actionable insights for policymakers and stakeholders in the Global South. Through the lens of neorealism theory, we can better understand how AI affects security challenges in the Global South. This theoretical framework helps explain how technological advancements influence power dynamics between nations. The study examines how administrative decisions regarding AI implementation can significantly impact a nation's security posture and international standing. Leading scholars in the field have provided valuable insights into AI's role in global security. Experts like Max Tegmark and Nick Bostrom have highlighted how artificial intelligence is fundamentally changing warfare and security paradigms. Their research emphasizes the critical importance of developing nations staying engaged with AI advancement to maintain their security interests in an increasingly technology-dependent world. The study reveals evolving risks and developments specific to the Global South context. These nations face unique challenges in implementing AI technologies while managing limited resources and infrastructure. However, there are also opportunities for innovative solutions that could help bridge the technological divide and enhance security capabilities. Various global organizations and major technology companies are actively implementing AI for security purposes. This implementation ranges from cybersecurity measures to military applications, creating new dynamics in international relations. The research examines how these developments affect Global South nations and their ability to maintain security interests in an AI-driven world. The research draws upon a wealth of academic sources that have contributed significantly to our understanding of AI's impact on global security. These sources provide crucial insights into how artificial intelligence is reshaping international power dynamics and security frameworks. Recent academic works have particularly focused on the security implications of AI advancement and its global impact. These studies highlight the importance of developing nations actively participating in AI development and implementation to ensure their security interests are protected. The comprehensive nature of this research is supported by an extensive collection of academic sources, providing a solid foundation for understanding the complex relationship between AI advancement and global security, particularly from the perspective of developing nations.